If you need a vehicle that's more tool than toy, the 2026 GMC Savana is exactly in that lane. This is the old-school full-size van that still does the hard jobs, hauling crews, carrying cargo, towing equipment, and serving as the blank canvas for camper and conversion builds. It's not here to be trendy, it's here to work. On the outside, the 2026 Savana sticks with the classic big van formula. Tall, square, and straightforward, with a big GMC grille, simple headlights, and huge slab sides that maximize interior space. You can get it as a cargo van with solid panels, or as a passenger van with big windows down the sides. There are regular and extended wheelbase versions, plus different roof and door configurations depending on how you spec it. Sliding side door or dual swing-out doors, rear barn doors that open wide for easy loading, and heavy-duty bumpers that don't care if they see a job site every day. Step inside and you immediately see why fleets and builders still love this platform. It's simple, open, and easy to configure. Up front you get two big captain's chairs, a straightforward dash, and tons of open floor space between and behind the seats. In cargo models, the rear is basically a huge, boxy room on wheels, flat floor, tall roofline, and straight walls that are perfect for shelving, racks, tool chests, or a full camper built with beds, cabinets, and gear. In passenger versions, you can fit multiple rows of bench seating for 12-15 people, depending on configuration, making it a go-to for shuttle companies, large families, and organizations. Tech in the Savana has been slowly modernizing, and by 2026 you can expect a practical, work-friendly setup. A central infotainment screen with Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto will likely be available or standard on more trims, so you can run navigation and job apps straight from your phone. USB ports, 12-volt outlets, and available household-style power outlets help keep tools, laptops, and devices charged on the move. The controls themselves stay simple and chunky, big knobs for climate, clearly labeled switches, so you can use them with gloves on and not worry about delicate touchscreens when the van is dirty. Under the hood, the 2026 GMC Savana continues to lean on proven, heavy-duty hardware. Expect the 6.6-liter gasoline V8 to remain the main engine, delivering strong horsepower and torque for heavy loads and towing. Power runs through an automatic transmission to the rear wheels, with different GVWR ratings for 25.0 and 35.0 models, depending on how much weight you need to move. Properly equipped, the Savana can tow serious trailers, enclosed job trailers, boats, small equipment, and still have room inside for people or gear. It's not about speed, it's about strength and durability. On the road, the Savana feels exactly like what it is, a big, body-on-frame van designed for work first. The seating position is high, the view out is commanding, and the ride is tuned to handle weight. Empty, it can feel a bit stiff and truck-like. Loaded, it settles down and does long highway miles with surprising ease. Steering is light enough that you're not wrestling it in parking lots, and big mirrors plus available backup camera and parking aids make it manageable even if you're not used to driving something this large. Safety is where GMC has been steadily adding more gear, and by 2026 the Savana should have a more complete suite of driver assists available. Rear-view camera is already the norm, and you can expect options like rear park assist, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and blind spot monitoring to be offered or more widely available, especially on passenger versions. Multiple airbags, a solid frame, and stability control help keep things under control when you're loaded or towing. Pricing in the US will keep the Savana firmly in workhorse territory. Cargo models will likely start in the mid to high $40,000 range for basic 25.0 configurations, with heavier-duty 3500s, passenger vans, and better, equipped trims climbing into the $50,000s and beyond depending on options and upfits. The big story is value over time. These vans are built to run for years as service vehicles, shuttles, and converted campers, so total cost of ownership matters more than flashy features. The 2026 GMC Savana is aimed at people and businesses who need a dependable, configurable box on wheels. Contractors, delivery and service fleets, shuttle operators, big families, and van life builders who want a rugged, simple base instead of a fragile, tech-heavy platform. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 GMC Savana, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Gray on Cars, and tell us in the comments. Would you use a Savana as a work van, a people mover, or build it into your own custom camper rig?